Hey everybody, Ryan Huggins here, and in this video we are going to do the actual usage of the Lumispa. Alright, so here we go. So I just got back from the beach. I'm still in my wetsuit, so I figured why not make the video for you guys so you can see. So first and foremost, I've got the Lumispa cleanser here. It says moisten face with warm water and apply ample treatment cleanser evenly over face, avoiding eye area for optimal results. Use with age-lock Lumispa device as directed in the age-lock Lumispa user manual. So in the user manual, this tells you if you've ever used an electric toothbrush, it'll go buzz every 30 seconds to let you know that it's done. So this is optimal 2 minutes of usage. So you'll use it for 30 seconds. This is section 1, section 2, section 3, and then section 4 with the device. And it'll actually tell you by buzzing that you've used enough time on that section of your face. So here we go. So we're going to go ahead and we're in the shower, so drop some rain on it. Wash some of that. I actually have lots of sunscreen on my face. It was a very sunny day today, so I had to protect my beautiful face. So now we're going to do, make sure here, now these do come sealed, as you can see there. So we'll make sure to take the seal off there. If you're like me, I love my products to come sealed, just like every product that comes. So sorry about that, dropping a little bit. So we're going to put some actual face ointment here, and that may be too much. Who knows? It's my first time trying it, but that's an ample amount. It says to avoid your eyes, so don't get it in your eyes. All right, so now we've got that. We're going to go ahead and hit the power button right there, and it's going to start going. Get that moist, and we'll just go. And you just rub nice and lightly. You're not pushing hard. You're literally just letting the machine do all of the work. So I am currently using the firm head. Boom, it just did a little vibration to let me know that I'm supposed to move. So my top of my face is done. Now we'll do the cheeks area. And again, we're not pushing hard. Just letting the machine do all the work for you. All right, so now we'll move to area number 3. Obviously, you could do this at your vanity or your sink. You don't have to be in the shower. I just had my wetsuit on. I thought it'd be cool and funny to do it this way. So here we go. Get the nose a little bit there. Now we'll do the bottom. Make sure you really get that nose, and it's done. There you go. Voila, just like that. Yep, 2 minutes, and we are all set. All right, I did want to also cover a couple of things. With the head, all you do is rinse it off, and when you're done, you just pop it off of there, and you can rinse that out, and it's good to go. What's also really cool is the button. As you can see, there's 2 glowing lights, because I had turned it back on just to kind of play around with it a little bit. That is 1 session, 2 sessions, 3, and 4. So if you ever get called away because your daughter or your son or something's going on, you got to stop something, you can actually pause it, go do whatever you need to do, and come back. Obviously you won't have as much soap all over your face like I did, but that's really cool because it'll actually keep track, and then you just turn it back on, and now it's working again, as you can see there. And then this is telling you that it's finishing up the 30 seconds of interval 2, and then you'll turn on interval 3 and interval 4. So this will actually keep track of it for you as well, but just by clicking the on-off button.